everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and I am so excited because today we are going to be playing with a little RMS Beauty. This is one of my favorite brands that I have used for years, and they have been coming out with all sorts of exciting new products, and I'm excited to tell you about a new launch from RMS Beauty that are beautiful, creamy powder blushes. You guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. They come in really unique, pretty colors. And what I thought we would do is go ahead, put on a full face of RMS Beauty products and go show you a little bit more about these new glowy pressed powdered blushes from RMS. This launch is coming up and you're definitely going to want to check these guys out. So if you are interested in seeing how these are applied on the face, as well as using some of my other favorite RMS Beauty products, then let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by using one of my favorite products that I've had and used for years, and that is the RMS Beauty Uncover. This is basically your base. It can be used as a concealer. It's just going to even out your skin and look absolutely gorgeous. The beauty of RMS Beauty is that this is organic based products. There's no chemicals in it. You can feel good about using it on your skin, and it also is going to be makeup that actually makes your skin better, not worse. So let's get started. It's a foundation and a concealer, and it literally just melts into your skin while it covers any imperfection and redness that you may have. It never looks heavy or dry, and it's really actually quite good for your skin. It's hydrating for you, and it will make you appear more youthful and radiant. The BURITI bronzer is one of my absolute favorite products. It's an ultra sheer glowing cream bronzer without the orange, without the pink, and without the gray, giving you just the right amount of a warm, sun-kissed glow. I absolutely love this, and this has been a repeat purchase for me several times. The other product I absolutely love, and this is the Living Luminizer. This was my very first RMS Beauty product that I purchased. This was in all of the magazines as the way to make your skin look dewy, glowy, and just look healthy. Every time I wear this, I always get a compliment on my skin, which the secret is it's actually the Living Luminizer. It gives you that ethereal lit from within beauty. It really is a bestseller for a reason. It gives you kind of a sheer, sensuous, luminous glow, and it works great on all skin types. Okay, now that we have got our little quick and easy face on, let's get to the star of the show. This is the new RMS Beauty powder blushes. You guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. They are creamy. They give you the most beautiful glow. And I want to first tell you about the colors. So this guy right here is Lost Angel. Absolutely gorgeous spring color. That is Lost Angel. Next we have the Blushed Rose. This is just screaming summer, spring, so pretty. It gives you that lovely pop of color that's going to really give your face a flush. Crushed Rose. And then we have this really unique color called Moon Cry. You guys, this is so pretty, and since this is something that you could also use on your eyes, it is gorgeous as an eyeshadow as well. This is Moon Cry. Such pretty colors. What I thought I would do is put on 2 of these blushes on one side, give you a little show of what that is. I'm gonna try the darker color all over with a little flush of pink, as well as give you a real look at what this looks like on the skin. So thank you, RMS Beauty, for sending these gorgeous blushes my way. They're going to be available on the rmsbeauty.com site on June 18th, and then in other select retailers on June 25th. So I am using their beautiful Skin to Skin blush brush, and I'm gonna start by putting on this little guy here. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little look just like this. I wanna bring you up closer, and we're gonna let you see this shade in action. So pretty, you guys. I'm just gonna kind of pounce this in. Really nice little flush of color going on. I'm gonna take this lighter shade and I'm going to top that kind of in the apples of my cheek, just right here to kind of show you this color. This one has sort of this beautiful little, they have a little bit of glow to these. Can you see? Really soft and pretty there. Now I bet you guys are curious about this guy. Let's go ahead and put it on this opposite cheek. It's sort of a plum mulberry color. I'm going to just buff that. I'm going to just buff this into my skin. This is actually a really pretty color, and if you feel like you've gone just a little bit too much, you can always tap this in your powder and then just tone it down just a little bit. But I think it's a really interesting, pretty color. And again, it looks really pretty on the eyes as well. So you guys, here's these two colors over here. As you can tell, that little Lost Angel's got a little bit of soft reflection in it. The crushed rose is just gonna give you that just like you've worked out flush. And then I really love this Moon Cry. When I first saw it, I was like, ooh, ooh. With a light hand, it's just a really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and put a teeny bit of this on my eyes to show you as well what a pretty eyeshadow color. So far, I've just got that BURITI bronzer on. And I'm just gonna deepen the side over here, intensify through my crease with that Moon Cry, that beautiful plum shade. Then I think what I will do just for fun, since we can, is take a little bit of that Lost Angel and I'm gonna put that on my lid just to soften that up. You guys, I love using blushes and such for all sorts of purposes. Okay, I just dabbed on a little of my favorite RMS Beauty lipstick in Monterey. It is such a great stay all day lipstick. Just dab just a little bit on, kind of push my lips together, and literally it's gonna give me a little stain that I can keep on all day long. So you guys, I'm absolutely in love with these blushes, multi-purpose, they're gorgeous. Okay, now that I have got my glow on, I just wanted to say thank you, RMS Beauty, for sending me these gorgeous blushes. I've been using them non-stop since I received them. And look out for these, you guys. I will put the link down in the description box of where you can find them. But keep your eye out for these because these are special blushes. Feeling a little glowy, loving my quick and easy face using RMS products. I hope this was helpful and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.